Happy Sunday, family. It's your girl, Elder Pamela Robinson Smith, sitting here, not on my pulpit porch, because it what? The snow, the snow, the snow. I attempted to go outside briefly, quickly, to help my poor Rufus get some relief. Well, y'all, we took one step on the porch, and Rufus made a U turn. So, whatever he needed to do as far as his business, he kept it inside. I even went as far as putting little booties on him so that his feet wouldn't get extremely cold. He was not for it. So, if a little furry canine creature knows to stay in the house and to stay clear of the snow, then I hope you are doing the same. I caught myself trying to be a good mommy so that he didn't have to hold it, and he was not having it. So, he's in the house with me, I guess holding it in for now. And I hope you're home and I hope you're safe and warm. This is the first big storm we've had in quite some time. It's a little weird. I know when I was younger, I looked forward to the snow. Why? So I didn't have to go to school. Not that I didn't like school, but a nice break is always good. I will say that now, as an adult, I don't necessarily appreciate the snow. And I guess because in my mind, there's so much to be done, right? Always have something that we need to get done. So, my church decided they were going to have service yesterday. So, worship was not on the to do list today. Although, my soul was craving worship on today. And praise the Lord, I was able to find some good praising and worship on YouTube, child. First, it was the Potter's House of Dallas. And then I found this beautiful, oh my God, heart touching concert. I think it said it was about 4 years ago. It was at Times Square Church. CeCe Winans, Marvin Winans, Donnie McClurkin, and beautiful, beautiful choir. Had me in tears, y'all. Had me in tears. Tears of joy. I'm just saying to myself, isn't it funny how I know for me, maybe not you, for me to be still, to do nothing is a challenge. My brain is always going. How about you? Are you always thinking of something to do? Or it may just be the Pam disease that I just have to be doing something. I think it has to do something with my Smith family because we're busy. We stay busy on purpose. But on this Sunday, I'm learning to chill out. I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Found a new show, well, new to me anyway, to binge watch. Transplant. Very good, very good. It's on Peacock. Um, it's keeping me engaged in something, but me doing nothing at the same time, to the point where I almost forgot to give you guys a good word for the week. So, our week is starting off quiet and still and frozen. How about that? What do we do with that? Make the most of it. If there's a book that you bought that piqued your interest and you never got around to reading it, this is a good day. If you have a favorite show that you haven't had time to watch in quite some times, this is the perfect day to binge watch. If you're like me and Sundays just all your life have been the day for worship, go on YouTube, y'all. You can find some wonderful, wonderful worship services to partake in today. Sundays, for me as a believer, are the first day of the week. And so, as I'm binge watching, it is allowing me time to think about more deeply, I would say, uninterrupted, what I want my new week to look like, my new month to look like, and this new year to look like. Not that I haven't done my goals and have my vision. It's when you are still and when things are quiet and you have no choice but to comply and be still and quiet. There is time for you to really calm your spirit and think about what's next, right? And maybe plan for it. All I wish for you on the short term is that you're safe, you have your basic needs met, food, shelter, water, good portion of health. And let's make a conscious and intentional choice to be better this week. And better will be a different definition for each of you. But you know what it means for you to be better. Maybe it means we eat better this week. Maybe it means we exercise this week. Maybe it means we just partake in self-care or show care for someone else. Whatever better means for you, do that. Today is the day to plot and plan and be ready for tomorrow or the next day, whenever we're unfrozen, to be better. That's all I got for you. I hope all is well with you. I hope you know you're loved. And please pray for me as I will pray for you. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Holla at your girl. Once again, it's me, Elder Pamela Robinson Smith, on this Snowbound Sunday. Back to my programming. This program is good. Transplant. Peacock. Watch it. Have a good day. Take care. Love you.